Now in just one click, you can see that we've captured one 15-second video of this beautiful bird jewelry.
You can see the pink and white very clearly.
So let's have a look and see the real piece compared to the video.
Now look more shiny, you can see. You can see it very nice, beautiful. I wish I could use it.
I'm in New York and I've got this beautiful hummingbird. It's very beautiful. So these are pink diamonds, right?
All pink diamonds.
Pink diamonds, brilliant cuts, very, very shiny. I'm going to place this inside GemLightbox Pro. And on the right, we've got a sparkle light which we're going to shine onto the diamonds to bring out the brilliance of the stones. We're going to put our reflector back on, smartphone in front. Look at those beautiful diamonds. And now we're going to take a 45-degree video on slow. Really see those beautiful sparkles on the pink diamonds and the white diamonds above. Now in just one click, you can see that we've captured one 15-second video of this beautiful bird jewelry. And we've got one video on the side, second video on the side, and the final image of the jewelry facing the front. So let's see what it looks like compared to the real piece. Would you like to hold on to the phone and see?
Let me see it. I think it works. Pretty good.
And we'll just compare it to the video just over here. So you can really see the beautiful sparkles as it's rotating like this. For the image, we can zoom in and see the pink diamonds.
Yes.
And also the white diamonds.
You can see the pink and white very clearly.
So what we're going to do with this light is that we're going to adjust the sparkle light so it's looking directly into the emerald stone. Over here we've got our yellow light which attaches to the magnets inside the box, and for shooting emeralds it's perfect because it brings out the nice vividness of the emerald just like that. So we've got both the sparkle light and the yellow light looking into the beautiful emerald and the round brilliant halo around the emerald as well. Now we're just going to place our phone in front again, and again simply tap to record. So normally it's very hard to capture the vividness and the colors of the emerald. You can see using the GemLightbox Pro, you're able to see all the different hues and colors of this beautiful green emerald and also the small stones around that as well. So let's have a look and see the real piece compared to the video. So normally with this flower, because it is a translucent sort of material, it's usually very hard to capture the color and usually looks washed out when you try to photograph it. But using GemLightbox Pro, you can see that not only do you get a really nice color of the petals around the emerald, but the emerald also looks very true to its color. And you can also see all the details of the small round brilliant diamonds and beautiful reflections of the gold leaf below as well. So I'll show you the results again, just so that you can let me know what you think about the emerald. But this is the video.
Now look more shiny, you can see.
And if you go into the photo and also zoom in, you can also see that the color is very true to its color. And you can also see the nice round brilliant cut around it as well. And also the nice gold reflections on the leaf.
You can see it very nice, beautiful. I wish I could use it.